Hey guys, ever wanted auto folding mirror modules? Well, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install it on the new WRX. For the installation, you only need 3 tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. If you don't have a trim removal tool, you can click on the link in the description below. Now, in the kit, we have a harness, the auto mirror folding module, and the Velcro mounting tape. Okay, so first things first, we need to remove the door card from the driver's side door. The door card is secured by 2 screws, which are behind 2 covers, one over here and one over here. Remove the covers with a flathead screwdriver. Using the Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to now remove the 2 screws. This trim will need to be removed. Simply just put your fingers behind and just pull back. Held in by one little clip. With the trim removal tool, insert it into the door card and just pry it. That will give you some space for you to put your hands in. And then slowly work your way around the door by undoing all the clips. Once all the door clips have been released, gently pull the door card upwards to remove. I'm going to remove the cable for the door handle and the door lock, and also the wiring. So there are 4 plugs in the wiring harness. The first plug is for the mirror module. The second plug is for the plug located at the end of the door. And the remaining 2 plugs are for the door harness, black to black, white to white. It's up to you where you want to mount your mirror module, but I've decided to mount it just over here because there's good clearance and it's a nice flat surface. Now that the module has been mounted, we're going to be installing the new wiring harness into the door card switch panel. Now that everything is back in, we're going to be reinstalling the door card, starting from the top. So just make sure that it's all aligned, like so. Once you're happy with that, we can start clipping in everything. Just working your way around the door. Once that's in, we're going to be reinstalling the screws. And then the covers go back on. Lastly, reinstall the door card trim. So that's how easy it is to install our auto folding mirror modules. When I lock the car, the mirrors will fold. And when I unlock the car, the mirrors will unfold.